my problem with this entire elder sibling in the household is like my mom telling me that I need to behave because my brother will look up to me. But in my
Like
head,
setting a precedence.
I'm like, I won't ever look up to myself ever. Like, why would you want my brother to look up to me? Why are you doing this to this poor child?
Hi guys, welcome to the next episode of Sip Happens. I'm Aditi.
I'm Pianchi.
I'm Ishita.
So today in this episode, we're going to talk about the very special breed in every household, that is the elder siblings. And as all three of us are the elder siblings, we are going to talk about the responsibility, the struggles, and so much more. So yeah, let's just get into it.
So I feel like being the elder sibling, you are automatically supposed to have it all figured it out. Like people expect that you have to be the responsible one, you have to set an example because your siblings will follow your steps. But I think that comes with a lot of emotional burden for me because honestly, I love my family very much and I would do anything for them just to make them happy. But sometimes I feel like I want to run away and be as far as possible from them because I want to protect my mental health as well.
Point. Like, I so agree with you. And also sometimes I feel like we like have so much responsibility and we have so many restrictions because we are also the first child of our parents, and it's kind of they are having those trial and error phase in parenting, which leads to all chaos in our growing up.
I feel like I'm stuck in this loop where I'm parenting my siblings, and on the other side, my parents still treat me as a child. So that is so very wrong because they expect me to be a grown up and be like what they call the unpaid mother of my siblings, and the next moment they treat me like I'm some child and I don't know how to make basic life decisions.
Point.
I mean, my problem with this entire elder sibling in the household is like my mom telling me that I need to behave because my brother will look up to me. But in my
Like
head,
setting a precedence.
I'm like, dude, I won't ever look up to myself ever. Like, why would you want my brother to look up to me? Why are you doing this to this poor child? Because at the end, I feel that there is this constant pressure of making things happen. And sometimes we want to do things, but because as a elder siblings, a lot of times we also have to carry on the aspirations of our parents. And even when I don't want to do it, because I am that the eldest child in the family, I'm like, I need to do it for my parents. So there's
Right.
constant conflict between my desires and what my parents want,
Their wants.
which is
Yeah.
very tricky.
Hmm. Hmm. And
I
also
think
sometimes what we do is our achievements is like very is so much expected, like ठीक है अगर इसने ये चीज कर ली है तो हाँ ये तो कर ही लेगी, like she is capable enough of doing. But when something our younger sibling does, then okay, then that is celebrated कि oh my god, like how could he do it, wow, that's great, amazing,
And
although वो हमसे कुछ बड़ी चीज होगी नहीं जो हमने करी होगी, but still that is celebrated and what we
but
have done is like expected.
the worst part is that the parents expect that the eldest one is the smartest one. So the problem is we cannot make dumb decisions. And for someone like me, it's really tough because I have this thing of making bad decisions all the time. But I really cannot show it to my parents. And I'm like, oh no, I have all figured it out. You don't need to worry about it. But deep down in my head, I'm like, I also don't know what I want to do and what I'm going
Right.
to do about it.
Pressure of just being setting the right example to everybody in the family.
I
Yeah.
feel like we walk so that our siblings can run.
Yeah.
And also,
Yes.
I feel being the strong one is exhausting at times because I'm so busy holding the space for everyone else and no one is holding that space for me. So I just feel like I'm not being understood enough. I mean, I
And
know
some
my parents' perspective that, yeah, it's their first time too, but honestly, it's mine too. It's my first time being an elder sibling, and I just cannot draw the line. How much I have to give because I have
and
a life of my own as well.
And also sometimes elder siblings, they act like a buffer zone between all the fights happening between maybe parents or maybe your younger sibling and the parents. So that space which we provide, but apart from that, nobody is there to ask us that how we are doing, like how are we okay or not, are we in the right mental space or not. So that is definitely missing when it comes to elder siblings.
Honestly, I don't have any
There are times
hate here because मेरे घर के सारे झगड़े मेरी वजह से ही होते हैं. So, but
there
yeah.
are times when me and my sister, if we have a fight and I'll get a call from my dad and I know what he's gonna say. I I I I can bet on it that he's gonna say the same thing. कि बेटा तुम दोनों वहां पे अकेले रहते हो, और बेटा यू आर जस्ट लाइक हर मदर ना, so you're a parent there. I'm like, I don't want to be her mother. I'll mother my own kids for her. I just want to be as a guardian who is there, but not as a mother, because I cannot do that. That's not me. But still, he has those expectations. And
भाई द प्रॉब्लम इज कि जो घर का छोटा होता है उसको कभी कोई कुछ बोलता नहीं है. सो इफ आई एम द ओल्डेस्ट वन एंड देन दे आर लाइक कि तुम बड़ी हो तो तुम्हें समझना
Right,
चाहिए.
right, right,
Why?
right.
I mean, why
Hmm.
should I be the only one who should understand? You can also tell your younger child to not do things, but they're like, but
Right.
वो तो छोटा है. So the expectations from the elder siblings is like way too much. And at times I feel that they suitcase us in those responsibilities that we never even asked for. And we're not even paid for, honestly.
And also, I think so. When it comes to freedom, हमें तो बहुत ही कम freedom मिली है as compared to what our younger siblings get. Like इतने बजे घर वापस आना है, कहाँ हो, text everything, tell us everything, inform us everything. On the other hand, my younger brother, he goes out, like he stays out whole day, कुछ call नहीं, कोई message नहीं, nothing. Like I agree that he is a male and सेफ्टी वो नहीं है वहां पे, बट एटलीस्ट यू शुड टेल योर मॉम और टेल योर पेरेंट कि कहाँ हो. नहीं, मम्मी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर ऑन द अदर हैंड मैं हूँ 6 बजे तक बाहर, तो व्हाई आर यू आउट, why you out, why haven't you texted, come back home as soon as possible. So I think so they are way more stricter with us than with our siblings.
Yeah, because
Like,
apparently for them, we can only do things right. We have to succeed because our
right.
siblings, they have no expectations from them.
और अगर तुम ही यही करोगे तो फिर हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे, फिर वो तो यही करेगा ही.
This, I hate this thing, when they're like, you, the younger brother has started to show aggression because you, for the longest time, were very
Right,
aggressive.
right,
I'm
aggressive,
like,
right.
how does it matter? Like, you are the parent. I was aggressive, that's all right, but you cannot just let the younger one go by blaming me. You need to tell him not to behave like that and not blame me for that. But they're like, but they learn from their elder siblings. I'm like, I don't have anything to say. You have put all this on me. Did you even ask me if I want to take that responsibility? I don't even want to take my own responsibility.
Right,
It is.
no,
I
right.
think we, for the smallest, slightest mistake that we do, we have that guilt with us forever. And these people, they don't care about it. No matter what they do, they're like, हाँ तो क्या हुआ? गलतियों से तो सीखूंगा. अरे भाई, मुझे तो मौका ही नहीं मिलता है करने का.
And sometimes we do certain things, they start pointing out कि हाँ, see now she's doing, I can do it, now she's doing, now मैं कर सकता
yeah,
हूँ.
see, I live away from my family abhi as of now because of the education and stuff. So I love traveling, and now my brother starts comparing it कि वो बाहर जा सकती है तो मैं क्यों नहीं जा सकता. I mean, you do not even understand the gravity of the situation. I'm living out. I need to have fun. You will have your fun sometime, but right now what you need is to study.
No,
Don't
you need to
compare.
study first, okay? First, you are not studying, and then you want the freedom
Exactly.
also. We studied so much, and we had no freedom. We
Now
had
we
no
use a
freedom.
keypad wala phone to use Facebook in our
Yeah,
9th and
I
10th.
did not have the Facebook account for the longest time. This
Right,
person
right, right.
already has social media accounts on Instagram and stuff, and my mom says absolutely nothing to him. And meanwhile, with me, she was like, "Oh, वो उससे तो बिगड़ जाते हैं."
आई फील कि पेरेंट्स को हमने हमने इतनी एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट करके रख दी थी ना अपने टाइम पे, और हमारे जो भाई बहन है उन्होंने उसका लेवल इतना नीचे गिरा दिया है दैट दे
वो
पेरेंट्स आई
ऑलरेडी
डोंट
नीचे
इवन
गिरा हुआ था.
एक्सपेक्ट
गिराया
एनीथिंग
नहीं
फ्रॉम
है.
देम.
वो कभी
वो
ऊपर ही नहीं
मेरा
आया.
मेरे भाई का 10th क्लास का रिजल्ट आया एंड इट वाज नॉट लाइक ठीक था फॉर हिम, इट वाज गुड, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट आई हैड स्कोर्ड इट वाज प्रीटी लो. एंड माय पेरेंट्स आर थ्रोइंग डिनर, गिविंग हिम गिफ्ट्स, एंड आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई टोल्ड माय पेरेंट्स कि अच्छा आई गॉट दिस मार्क, एंड यू नो व्हाट इज द वर्स्ट थिंग समवन
Congratulations.
कुड से. नो, माय डैड सेड कि बेटा सिटी टॉपर से 2% कम है, बस 2% और आ जाता. यू इमेजिन हाउ आई फेल्ट कि इतना करने के बाद भी आई एम स्टिल नॉट इनफ फॉर यू. दैट इज सो सैड.
Apart from all this, I think so being an elder sibling is so ठीक है, is a task, but being an elder daughter, oh my
It's
God, in a
tricky.
family
Let's
of
It's
not
an
get
Indian
really
started on that.
household,
tricky, dude.
it is on another level, like another level. Like we are
Bro, I
treated
tell
like
you,
a son
me,
first things first. Like although we are a woman, they expect us to act like a man, like while we are growing up, and then we have to tackle that also कि ठीक है, now they're expecting us to act like a man, so we have to act like a man. And उसके अलावा हमारा जो खुद का इमोशनल वो चल रहा होता है टर्मोइल, वो भी हैंडल करना होता है. Oh my God, that this is a full traumatizing experience.
Aditi mentioned about being the elder daughter. I have so much to say about it, and I constantly feel this rage that why I'm the elder daughter. Because मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि sometimes in life you just feel so clueless, you don't know what to do and what are you actually doing with your life. So I usually call my dad and I start talking to him about it. And I remember a few days back I was telling कि यार पापा कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I don't know, things are not working out for me. And then he goes on कि हाँ हाँ आई नो यू आर सो मैच्योर, यू विल हैंडल इट। हाउ एम आई सपोज्ड टू हैंडल दैट? मुझे ये नहीं पता कि मैं कल खाने में क्या खा रही हूँ। कल छोड़ो, इनफैक्ट आज मुझे नहीं पता कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी माय डिनर, एंड ही इज एक्सपेक्टिंग मी दैट आई फिगर आउट माय लाइफ।
And my
Weird.
problem is when the younger sibling becomes your parent, like suddenly there is this thing where they ask you, "Oh, who are you talking to? Why are you using your phone? इतना phone क्यों use
Why are you
करती हो?
wearing this?
तुमने इतने छोटे कपड़े क्यों पहने हैं?" अरे
Right.
भाई, my dad does not tell me anything about what I'm wearing. He does not
Point.
bother how short my dress is. And then you are telling me कि कपड़े बहुत छोटे, ये कपड़े पहन के बाहर नहीं जाना. And then उसके
Bro,
बाद my parents act to all of this like, ha 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 ha. I'm like,
So
do you
that
yeah,
even
they just laugh it
understand?
off. They just laugh it off.
They're like, they
भाई
laugh it off.
my brother he's so sick. Like suppose I am out with him, ठीक है, and I'm on a bike और कभी मैं कार में होती हूँ and then मैं जा रही हूँ, ठीक है, and now suppose there is a car ऐसे बाजू में which has boys in it, okay, or a bike on which there are boys on it, ठीक है, and if they are good, and one day what happened, I just looked and I was like, oh, they're looking cute. He stopped right there till the time वो कार आगे नहीं चली गई है. He stopped there only. I'm like, चल ना आगे बढ़. He's like, नहीं मैं नहीं जा रहा. I'm like, bro, like, what the heck? Like, ठीक है, I'm not going out with them. I'm just looking. And don't try to be my dad here. Like, stop doing that.
Yeah.
This is a
मतलब
very, very
I
bad thing
go
which he
out with
does.
my brother ऐसे मार्केट में या कहीं भी, so there is, I don't know, there are different set of people, and if someone looks at me for like 2-3 seconds ऐसे, he comes in full गुंडा mode and is like, बताऊं क्या क्या देख रहा है ये, बोलूं? मैंने कहा भाई
हाँ
तुम छोड़ो
हाँ हाँ.
प्लीज, तुम
This
छोड़ो,
happens. क्या
like
देख रहे हो?
don't do
क्या
this।
देख रहे हो? And I'm like,
क्या
भाई,
कोई
do
प्रॉब्लम है
not
तुझे भाई?
embarrass me. Do not embarrass
Yeah.
me here.
Dude,
Please, don't do this.
exactly. एक तो भाई the
And
I
just
problem,
because
remember,
आपकी हाइट बढ़ गई है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप कुछ भी कर लोगे,
नहीं
ब्रो.
भाई,
भाई
एक
दिमाग
तो इनका
होता
ये
ही है।
गुंडा वाला जो फेज आता है.
नॉर्थ इंडियन के बच्चों में ही आता है ये गुंडा वाला फेज. आई हैव नॉट
आई नो
सीन
भाई,
दिस.
इनको सडनली एक एज पे ऐसा होता है, मैं ही तो हूँ, मैं तो
आई
सब
कैन ओनली
ऐसे
प्रोटेक्ट माई
बैंड बजा दूंगा.
सिस्टर. अभी तक की उम्र में ठीक है वो हो गई बड़ी, बट नाउ आई एम द ओनली सोल प्रोटेक्टर ऑफ हर. और कोई तो प्रोटेक्ट ही नहीं कर सकता, वो
हाँ.
खुद को प्रोटेक्ट ही
आप
नहीं कर सकती.
मतलब हमने तो ऐसे ही 24 साल तक खुद को ऐसे ही हमने प्रोटेक्ट तो किया ही नहीं है. हम तो हर दिन
राइट.
किडनैप हो जाते थे, पर अब तू आ गया है तो तू मेरा बॉडीगार्ड बनेगा भाई.
एंड ऑल्सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस माइंडसेट, मेरे भाई ने एक दिन ऐसे मजाक में ऐसे बोला, आई वाज टेलिंग माय डैड कि मेरे को गाड़ी सिखा दो अब, बट माय ब्रदर इज लाइक, तुम्हें क्या जरूरत है, तुम्हारी तो शादी हो जाएगी, तुम्हारा तो पति रहेगा ना। लाइक हाउ डेयर यू, मतलब यू कैन नॉट से दिस ना, पति होने से पहले भी आई एम एन इंडिविजुअल, राइट?
भाई
व्हाट इफ मेरा
आई
पति
फील
रहेगा गाड़ी
more
चलाएगा?
than our parents, our brothers have this
दे
patriarchal
या
mindset. I don't know what for
टू
what
Agree.
मच
reason.
टू मच टू
कि
मच
तुम
टू
इतना
मच.
पढ़ के क्या
लाइक
करोगी, तुम खाना
once
बनाना सीखो.
once I was having this conversation about dowry and I was like कि ठीक है, even if I get married जिससे भी हो रही है, I am making sure कि there is no dowry involved, at least in my marriage, ठीक है. And I was like, yeah, okay, cool. He from the background this noise is coming. वो dowry थोड़ी होगा, after all you're my sister, थोड़ा तो देना पड़ेगा ना ताकि वो तुम्हें अच्छे से रखे. I'm like, what are you saying? I am मतलब educated. I don't want to do this. He's like, नहीं थोड़ा तो देना पड़ेगा ना, थोड़ा तो. I'm like, भाई तू खुद दे दे अपनी बीवी को घर में लाने के लिए, तेरे से वो शादी कर रही है.
My brother is also like, you don't need to worry. By the time you get married, I think मैं कॉलेज में होऊंगा और मैं कुछ तो फिगर आउट कर लूंगा डाउरी का. I'm like, what? What are you even saying, dude? मतलब भाई पहली
Like
बात,
whatever they talk, it doesn't even make sense. Like
It
zero
doesn't
sense, zero logic. Still
पहले
have
तो
to blabber.
पहले तो I am against this
यार।
dowry system. I tell my parents like in this generation
Era,
he
yeah,
thinks about dowry and stuff, and my parents are against dowry, of course. But my
yeah.
brother, he wants to give dowry. He wants to
He
take out
wants to
money
give
from my
भाई
voluntarily.
dad's account
आई
and give that
इमेजिन
money to someone else. What the hell, man?
And
जिस
ये
बंदे
फेस
की
क्यों
हमारे,
आता है उनके दिमाग में, मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आता कि भाई आप पढ़े लिखे हो, आप why are you behaving like this?
भाई my
And
brother is
the
in 10th
moment he,
standard. मतलब
bro,
तू
the
अपने
moment
बोर्ड्स
he
के बारे में सोच
comments,
ले.
the moment he comments upon my dressing या फिर about ठीक है मैं तेरे को ये गिफ्ट करूंगा when you get married, and I'll be like कि, and the moment he comments भाई ड्रेसिंग के बारे में मोस्टली, मैं क्या बोलती हूँ कि भाई तेरे को इतनी प्रॉब्लम है, तेरी बीवी आएगी तो उसको रोक लियो. तू गर्लफ्रेंड बनाए तो उसको रोक ले, क्योंकि उनको तो रोकने की हिम्मत नहीं है ना कि ठीक है हाँ wear this wear that. When it comes to us, then they'll have all their tantrums कि हाँ don't wear this is looking, ये ऐसा नहीं दिख
नहीं
रहा,
भाई,
you're
but
my sister,
a lot
सोसाइटी में मेरी कोई इज्जत है
इज्जत. भाई
प्लीज.
तूने क्या
वो
इज्जत
इज्जत
तूने
भाई,
किया ही क्या है इज्जत
कौन
बनाने के
क्या
लिए?
करा क्या है
भाई
लाइफ में.
कौन आपको जानता है, वो मोमोज वाले भैया?
भाई exactly.
कॉलेज के जूनियर्स.
The only people that know my brother would be this some मोहल्ले का लफंगा
द
लड़का
बॉयज ही प्लेस क्रिकेट विद
and the
भाई,
मोमो वाले
या
भैया and
दैट्स
दुकान
इट.
वाले अंकल, उनके सामने इनकी इज्जत
बर्गर
इसलिए
वाले
होती है कि
भैया।
इनकी बहन ने छोटे कपड़े पहने हैं भाई. Bro, I think भाई some
आई डोंट नो हु
guys
इज गोना डेट
also
देम।
stop
Bro,
their girlfriends from wearing short clothes, and I don't want my brother to be that person, honestly.
To
And
do
if he
that,
does
right,
it, I
right.
will tell his girlfriend, you just leave this stupid
Right.
guy, don't be
But
with
I
him.
don't think so. They're gonna do this with their partners. One day, I don't know, I should reveal this or not, but one day I was going through his phone and then I came across this text of
Don't.
a girl, and then
Stop.
there was this normal pictures which I saw, which was in normal dresses, but वो मैं अगर वो पहनती ना तो उसमें भी वो मुझे रोकता है कि why are you wearing this? This
I
is
tell you
not
what,
fine.
my brother is on next level. One day, my mom was wearing this reddish lipstick shade, okay, and then my
Yeah,
brother,
they'll have to
and
comment on that
then
also.
my brother is like, and then my mom said, "Let's go," and my brother is like, "Wait, I don't like this color." My mom is like, "Sorry, what?" And he's like, "ये बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, बहुत ही लाल लिपस्टिक है ये अगर आप लगा के चलोगे तो मैं तो नहीं जाना, मुझे शर्म आ रही है." And my dad was standing right next to him, and my dad was like, "अपना मुंह बंद करो और अपनी बीवी को समझाना, मेरी वाली को मत बताओ." And then my brother also tells me, "This is too much blush. तुमको किसको दिखाना है ये सब?"
But they should understand that we dress up for our own self. हमें किसी को नहीं दिखाना, and
Exactly.
every
We
time
don't
they
need
come,
to
and
impress
my brother,
anybody.
he's like threatens me कि go change, go remove this, then only I'll take you. And unfortunately, because I don't know how to drive, I have to listen to him. कि ठीक है, okay, I'm changing.
You need to learn to drive first so that
I
you're
अभी
not
need to
dependent
learn
on
how
each
to.
other.
मैंने
Yes.
मैंने अपने भाई का ये वाला पार्ट तो नहीं देखा. I think maybe it might be coming, but he is in class 11 and he has had girlfriends, I'm using the term,
Are
and
you
once an
sure
ex.
you are revealing this on the podcast?
Okay, let's not name my brother. ठीक है. So he comes and tells me कि bro, there's this girl and she really likes me. मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? I'm like, अपनी 11th class की NCERT खोल के पढ़ना चाहिए. What do you mean क्या करना चाहिए? He's like, should I accept what she's saying? I'm like, just look at your sister. She has no man in her life, and you at the age of 11 are having
What was she
options to
saying though?
choose. Oh,
एक तो भाई इन चूतियों को
and
प्रपोज
he's
कौन कर रहा है? मेरे को पहले ये बताओ.
ready to talk it out. पता है ऐसे ऐसे randomly I
हमारे
text him
भाइयों
और
को कौन कर रहा है ये सब?
I being a elder sibling is really tricky and stuff, but there's one good thing that I would like to point, and that is I don't have to do any work at home. I asked my brother, "पानी लेके आ जाना please."
Bro,
भाई
I
खाना
don't know.
बना
I
देना
have
please.
to still do. My brother is still an ass.
No,
Mom is away and it's just to us to like living. Oh my God, then you should see. Like he sleeps, he does nothing, and then also tells mom कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ. मतलब the audacity, भाई. No, I cannot live with that man.
elder sibling and younger siblings relationship is really bittersweet, because at the end, even when we don't know that we are a team, but at the end, if something happens to me, my brother
Is
would
always there.
go
Yeah.
extra miles to protect me.
Hmm.
I don't
Yeah.
want the protection for
And to not apart from protection to get whatever we want. Like if
get whatever
there
you
is
want.
something which
And
we
if
can't
we are
get.
sad, yeah. If we are sad,
Hmm.
I mean, I have seen this when I am sad. My brother comes to me and he's like, "What happened?"
Same,
He'll
same,
calm
same,
me
same.
down. He's like, "अरे मैं
Yeah.
हूँ ना, of course मैं हूँ ना,
Same.
वो क्या ही करेगा." But the fact
Right.
that somebody is telling you he's there is a lot to do when there is no other man to do that for you, right? So I feel that being a elder sibling is very tough when it comes to showing emotions, because usually you are perceived to be the strongest one. Like, because for the longest time you have shown this resilient attitude to your parents. So now I feel 10 years ago, I was a very strong headed person, right? Nothing affected me at all. But I think with time, those things are changing, because now I cry like a lot. And now, but the problem is because my parents have not seen me that like that, it's very
Right.
tough for them to understand. And if I cry about something, they feel it's really a big thing that has affected me. They make such a big deal out of it. And
Right, right, right.
and if I tell them, it is a very stupid thing, then they're like, तो इसमें रोने वाली कौन सी बात?
रोने की क्या बात है? हाँ. Like
So
same happens now. The fact that I have shifted back home, मतलब when I was in Bombay, then so it was easy कि ठीक है, मतलब we are handling things on our own and they're not there to see it. But now that I've shifted back home, anything which troubles me, be it small studies, anything like anything, and I end up crying or I'm not in the like emotion or phase to like deal with mom or my brother at that point of time. But then they are there picketing कि हाँ ये क्यों हो रहा है, why are you behaving like this, why are you in the sad mood. It's like very and it's so tough to like suppress that emotion because at the end you don't want to show it also क्योंकि बहुत छोटी सी चीज है, and if you start showing emotions then they'll be like कि it's okay, it's fine, why are you like crying, it's not that big
yeah,
of a deal, don't do that.
yeah,
So I think suppressing your emotions is so tough like when you are
yeah,
elder
it's
sibling.
really tough
One
crying.
time I was in my room, I closed my door, and I was not feeling okay. So I was like, ठीक है, I'll take my time to get over it. And now, भाई 1 घंटे में 10 बार दरवाजा की खोलो, what happened? बताओ हमें. I'm like your friend. No, I understand, but please, like right now, I need some space because if I start showing my emotions a lot, I'll start crying. Then you will not like it. So, oh, it's very tough. It's very tough.
I know.
There was this one time I was sad about something and I was at home and I did not want to cry in front of my parents. I just went to the washroom, locked it, and I started crying, crying, crying. And I think my mom heard me crying and she's like constantly, क्या हो गया, रो क्यों रही हो, इधर देखिए ये क्यों रो रही है. I'm like, बाथरूम में भी चैन नहीं है आप लोग को, यहाँ तो रो लेने दो यार. मतलब बिकॉज फॉर मी पर्सनली मेरे को जिस तरह से बड़ा किया गया है ना, आई over time I feel like I cannot cry in front of people, not only
I
friends,
cannot
because
cry, bro. It's so tough to express
yeah,
your that
because
fucking
also
emotion.
I feel ki if I cry in front of this person, maybe that person will start thinking I'm vulnerable or I'm maybe someone who's very emotional, and I
Or
don't
too
want to come off
emotional.
at
Yeah.
that person to that person.
I
Matlab,
don't know. It's
I
very,
don't.
it's this is very sad actually because for me it's really tough to cry, and there are times when I want to cry but I
I,
can't because
yeah.
I am
No,
not
no.
like I'm
I am
not.
very emotional.
I cry in front of my parents are gonna be like, बचपन में तो तुम ऐसी नहीं थी, तुमको तो फर्क नहीं
हाँ,
पड़ता था, अब
अभी
तुमको
अचानक
कैसे
से क्या
फर्क.
हो गया.
Like, अरे भाई,
Right.
टाइम चेंज हुआ है. You
Things
tell me,
change.
now you're not a child, you're all grown up. That's all right, but that does not take away my right to cry, okay? I want to cry
Point.
more now.
Want someone to say to us, it's okay, you don't have to be pretend to be strong all the time. You can just be yourself, just rest. नहीं इतना strong बनने की जरूरत नहीं. We all need कोई कोई ऐसे बोले हम लोग को.
Right.
But
And sometimes what happens is कि our emotions come out as anger. If you're not like venting it out in a different way, it will come out as an anger. And I don't know, for my parents, मैं घर का bomb हूँ, like फट जाती हूँ whenever
I know.
needed. And I think so for all of us, it comes from our dads. Like, dude, like आप
agreed.
लोग ने ही दिया
Comes
हुआ
from
है, आपके वजह से. Yeah,
Have you seen yourself 10 years ago? And now
yeah.
you're
My
questioning
dad,
my.
I am angry. My dad asked, बेटा तुमने ये कहाँ से सीखा? अरे
कहाँ से
पापा
सीख लिया?
आपसे ही
हम तो
सीखा
इतना गुस्सा
है.
नहीं करते थे. ये आया कहाँ
We
से?
are
I'm
your
like,
female
dude,
versions.
look
We are your
yourself.
I'm your
female
female
version.
version.
Yeah.
Why are you so surprised? I'm carrying your genes, your inheritance. Everything you have given
And
me is anger.
then they'll be like, bro, you're a girl, you have to be sophisticated, poised. You can't shout like this. And I don't know, for me and also for Ishita, like we are someone, we have loud voice. Like we shout, and every time she'll be like, एक तो लड़की हो के इतना तेज तुम क्यों बोलती हो, आराम से बोल सकती हो. And I'm
भाई
like,
एक तो
एक
आई
listen
तो
डोंट.
to
आप
my
मेरे को घर
voice.
में
How can
बेटा
I
बेटा
change
बुला
it?
रहे हो. आप
हाँ.
घर पे बोल रहे हो तुम बेटा हो, तुम ये हो. दे एड्रेस इज लाइक दिस, अरे बेटा, एंड देन दे से कि लड़कों की तरह तेज क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो. लाइक
हाँ, ये
But
तो
why
है.
I, because
दैट
I
इज अ
Hmm.
पार्ट ऑफ
act
यू.
like those sophisticated girls, and I actually want to be that girl, where I'm like all
But
polite, all nice, but I'm like the first instance that somebody pisses me off, I start with a curse word. I cannot keep it to myself, and they're like, लड़की होके तुम गाली कैसे दे सकती हो?
the strong intact which was there in us, like of being a man, of being there for everybody, अभी वो अचानक से खत्म तो नहीं हो सकता. It's still there, and so
Yeah.
sometimes when we are angry or we are sad, it comes out in a way that we are bashing onto other people. So yeah, it comes from
Really
there, I
tough,
guess.
because to conclude, I feel being a elder sibling teaches you a lot of life skills. Like, you know how to be the leader. You know how to figure out life. You also know how to get your work done. मीठी मीठी बातें करके भाइयों से काम कराने की ऐसी आदत पड़ जाती है. It's like full HR role, bro. You know how to make
Right.
things work. You know how to lead people. It teaches you resilience, because you have to be successful because you are the elder one. So it teaches
Elder one,
you a
right.
lot of things, and I feel I'm glad that I have it, because when I see my brother, I'm like, भाई इसे तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है. But then I'm like, how did
इससे तो
I
कुछ हो
get
भी नहीं
to know
पाता.
all of that? And I'm like, because
Yeah.
I'm the elder sibling. So it's nice. It's like bittersweet experience. But at the end, we want our space. We don't want to deal with it. But then also, if somehow our parents don't get us involved in the family thing and all, then we get triggered, like, why am I not involved? Because as
Yeah.
elder one, we are involved in everything, from
Right.
घर में कौन से पर्दे आएंगे, तो घर पे
Yeah.
क्या सब्जी है, to every
हाँ.
decision, to big decisions. So it's like you have full life experience being an elder sibling, and it's really good.
I
Right.
feel we can conclude it in a single sentence that I would definitely take a bullet for them, but I'm not gonna share my charger with you guys.
Yeah, I am not sharing my
Yeah.
Maggie, bro.
Same.
Maggie is important.
I'm just struggling.
Yeah. So on that note, I think so we'll end this episode, and please stay tuned for our next episode. And all the elder siblings out there, this was your therapy session, and the younger ones, go give a hug to your elder ones like they need it. Yeah, so guys, I hope you have enjoyed this episode. Show some love. All love to you. Stay safe, stay happy, and yeah, please comment down any experiences you have had with your siblings. We are looking forward to it. Yeah. Bye bye. Love
Bye.
you guys.
Bye.